So guys, we are leaving now. What's up you guys? For people who are new here, this is Hinanchi Sangvi and welcome back to my channel. Da 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 da. So guys, in today's video, as you all can see, it's a Udaipur vlog. Mind it, the plan was so spontaneous. Like 20th ko, I was just sitting with my friends and I was like, guys, let's go somewhere. And they were like, yeah. And we went to Udaipur on 26th. And this was my first ever trip, which was so far with friends, except for the school trips that I've been to. So yeah guys, I'm very excited to show you all the musties that we have done. So I agree I'm too late to upload these videos because we had gone to Udaipur in Jan, which is like the best time to go to Udaipur. I know I'm late, but it's worth the wait. Guys, see the video till the end because it's not just about the Udaipur vlog like the musties that we have done, but I'm also going to share all the details of all the expenses that we have done. Whole trip was just under 18,000 rupees. How? That's what exactly I'm gonna show you all. And yeah, let's get started. So we are very late. That's why now we're going to get down at Borivali and take a train from Borivali to Vasai. वो जो बोरीवली वाला प्लान था ना ट्रेन में जाने का वो कैंसिल हो गया and now we are going to Vasai कैब में ही and we are running very very late. तो ये पीछे बच्चों का हाल देखो, एक माला झप रहा है, एक भगवान को याद करो और एक स्ट्रेस में खा रहा है. दिविशा, हाउ डू यू फील? दिविशा, हाउ डू यू फील?
Don't ask too much stuff.
प्राची, आर यू अलाइव? रिपोर्टिंग लाइव. मिश्वा की माला इतनी बड़ी है कि भगवान सुनेंगे नहीं. That's the scene, guys. I'll keep you all updated. Don't worry. This is Hinanchi Sangvi reporting live. क्या बात है? चालू हो गई. बोलो महावीर भगवान की जय. तो जैसा कि आपने देखा हम काफी लेट हो गए थे. हिनांशी और हिनांशी के सारे दोस्त, सॉरी गुजराती और थेपला थोड़ा मैच होता है. थेपला खा रही है. एनीवेज, कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट. अभी पिक्चर में लेट जाए तो चलता है क्योंकि पिक्चर तो देखनी है, पर ट्रेन में अगर लेट आए तो पिक्चर ही खत्म हो जाती है. तो बहुत मुश्किल से अभी हम लोग पहुंचे हैं. ट्रिप क्या होती है पता है? ट्रिप ये होती है हमारा कल का कोई टॉकिंग ना हमारा कल का कोई ठिकाना नहीं है. वी हैव नॉट बुक्ड अ कार फ्रॉम आबू रोड टू उदयपुर. वी हैव नो कार फॉर 3 days. होटल भी डिसाइडेड नहीं है, पर अभी बैठ के प्लान कर रहे हो. डोंट लुक एट माय नेल्स नाउ, कम ऑन. मेरी दोस्त को कुछ बोलने का है. वो थोड़ी शर्मीली है.
This is not coming in the video.
This is coming.
Raji, I feel.
ज्यादा मत हंस. मिश्वा कितनी बार बोला है हटना.
हंसना सेहत के लिए अच्छा है.
प्राची तो
मेरा
चाची
हंसना हिनांशी की सेहत के लिए अच्छा नहीं है.
बहुत बिल्कुल नहीं. चल. So we have finally reached Abu station and we are directly doing a car from here to Udaipur. So as you all can see, these people have gathered in order to give their price of the car. Let's see. प्राची एक सेकंड सो रही थी almost. But it's like 1.5 hour नहीं 3 hours का journey which is 150 kilometers or something. तो बैठ के कुछ नहीं, खाली खाना खाएंगे. So that's the hotel that we have stayed in. It's Vishnu Priya. It's literally in the center of the Udaipur only. So anywhere that you have to go, उधर से 10-15 मिनट लगेगा. Also, it's very much affordable and worth it. I'm going to talk about the expenses as I told you all in the end of the video. So stay tuned. The best part is that this hotel is vegetarian and very 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 much reasonable. And the rooms were also pretty good. Safe and comfortable, and the food was really amazing. I mean, just look at it guys. This was our lunch and trust me, the food was so nice that literally 3 days I think I've done my lunch over here only in a very affordable price. So right now we are on our way to Sajjangarh Fort, which is also known as the Monsoon Palace. और वहाँ से पूरा उदयपुर सिटी दिखता है. एंड मिश्रा wants to say something. 1 second.
Time. We'll go only if we reach on time because as usual we are late everywhere.
हाँ, 4 मेंबर थे, एक एक्स्ट्रा हो गए, 5 हो गए. ये है उदयपुर की. कितना भी लेट क्यों नहीं हो जाओ, खाना और पानी तो इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है ना कि उसके बिना मारवाड़ी और गुजराती कहाँ जा ही नहीं सकते. हम लोग इधर भी लेट पहुंचे हैं एंड लिटरली इट वाज शट बट थैंक्स टू अस एंड द अंकल हु इज ड्राइविंग दिस कार राइट नाउ ही सॉर्टेड आवर टिकट्स एंड फाइनली वी आर इन एंड वी आर गोइंग अप. So we literally got ready for Baromasi, which is a very nice place. What is it, Ikra?
Baramasi.
But what's the place about?
It's a beautiful, fine restaurant.
एंड जैसा कि आप हमको जान गए होंगे, अभी तक हम लेट जा रहे हैं. 11 बजे तो बंद हो रहा है और अभी 9:45 हो गया है. पहुँचते पहुँचते 10:15 हो जाएगा. बट आदत है ना, ये इसकी वजह से ही लेट होते हैं हम लोग.
Sure.
So guys, we booked our return ticket सबसे पहले so that nobody in the group can cancel the plan and the plan stays on. But जाने की टिकट मिल ही नहीं रही थी. Like it was a task finding a ticket to go till Udaipur, but yet we managed. So from Tardev to Vasai Road, we took a normal taxi. Now the Ola was showing 2,600, which was too expensive. So we cut down to it and we took a normal van taxi. And he took only 1,200 from us. So we left from our place at 6:30 and it took us more than 3.5 hours due to hell lot of traffic. That was 1,200, which divided by 4 makes it 300 per person. So we took SBCJU special train from Vasai to Abu Road. From Abu Road station, instead of booking a car pehle se hi, what we did is we went there and there were a lot of drivers who were willing to come and they had different ranges ranging from 3,000 to 2,300, and that's where we did a car only for 2,300 for 150 kilometers from Abu Road to Udaipur. So that was 575 per person. So we were not sure where we are gonna stay because we wanted a veg hotel, and to find a veg hotel in a budget was kind of difficult. But after a lot of research, we came across Vishnu Priya, which is a 3-star pure veg hotel. We were not sure about how the hotel is gonna be, so we booked it only for one night. And if we would have liked it, we would have gone ahead for more 2 nights. Now we loved the hotel, so we did go ahead for more 2 nights. We booked the hotel for only 3,080 rupees, 2 rooms, which makes it 770 rupees per person. And we took it without breakfast because we were not sure how the food is gonna be. But if you take it with breakfast, I think it was 150 per person extra. So the other 2 days we took it with breakfast. And yeah, 770 per night is really worth. Me and my friend Divisha, we did lunch in the room itself, and the thali was just for 400 rupees. And as you all have already seen in the video, it was amazing. The food was very yummy, which makes it only 200 rupees per person for the lunch. Then we had head out for Sajangarh Fort, and we used the local transport. One, because it was cheaper than booking a car for 4 days straight, because that was very costly. I'll tell you all about it. 2, because we wanted to experience the local vibe of the place, because we had gone there for that. And the entry for Sajangarh Fort is just 10 rupees per person, but fort is at 3,100 feet above the sea level. So from the gate, when you have to go up, there's another type of vehicle which takes you all up. Well, the charges for that particular vehicle is 200 rupees per person, and we were already too late to bargain because it shuts at 6 p.m. and we reached there by 6 p.m. Trust me, guys, if you all are going to Udaipur, do not, I repeat, do not miss the Sajjangarh Fort, because that's a place where you all can see the complete Udaipur and a beautiful sunset. And we had gone for dinner to Nirvana, which was near Sajjangarh Fort, which was like 5-7 minutes from Sajjangarh Fort, and we did an auto again. Nirvana, we did not order much. We ordered a pizza and coffee. So that was, I don't remember properly, but that was like 100 rupees per person. And after that, we reached the hotel and we changed and we head out for Baramasi, which is Udaipur's one of the best hotel with an amazing view, as you all have already seen. Now, I must tell you all that Baramasi, no matter how expensive it looks, it's completely worth and very cheap. Like, we ordered a Hakka noodles and we ordered hot chocolate and chili cheese toast and stuff, and the price was hardly 200 rupees, 150 rupees for the dishes. A place like Baramasi having these reasonable rates is amazing. So from Baramasi, we did an Ola because it was too late. So I don't remember the prices for Ola, but it was, I think, 200 or something. So the total expenses from Tardev to Vasai, from Abu Road to Udaipur, the stay at Vishnupriya, from Vishnupriya to Sajjangarh Fort, the Sajjangarh Fort entry and all the other charges, the dinner to Nirvana and Baramasi came up to a total of 8120, which you divide by 4 is 2030 rupees per person. So the day one expenses was 2030 plus include my 200 rupees lunch, which I did with Divisha because it was 400 for a thali. So when you divide it by 2, it's 200 rupees. So my complete expenses for day one was 2030 plus 200 rupees, and if you add an extra 100, because I'm not sure how much expenses we had for Ola and the Uber, but so the total goes to 2,330 rupees. Piece of advice that if you all are traveling to Udaipur, rather than booking a car for 4 days, which was asking for like 18 to 20,000, it's better that you all use the local transport because it reduces your cost to an amazing amount. So stay tuned for other videos and other vlogs. I hope you all like the video. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Take care.